Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy, delicious delicacy. It's called palm oil yam, or Mmanu in Igbo. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. Of course, the first ingredient we have here is yam. You're going to cut and peel the yam. So next thing you're going to do is to wash the yam and put it in the pot. So add some salt, then water, so cover and boil. So here we have onion and pepper. We are going to pound the onion and pepper. So here is the pounded onion and pepper, guys. Hope you guys are seeing this. It was pounded, yes. Add some salt. This is a fresh palm oil. You know, this delicacy goes with fresh palm oil. In fact, why I decided to make this delicacy is because I have a very fresh palm oil from the village. So it's a very easy, simple recipe you can just come up with. Okay, so people from the eastern part will relate. So this is a very delicious delicacy you can just come up with and enjoy. So add the oil, then you give it a mix. So back to our yam, let's check whether it's well cooked. So our yam is well cooked. The next thing you're going to do is to put the oil pepper mixture into a pan and heat it a little, okay? Just need to heat it a little, and that is it. So 3 minutes is okay to heat it up and you're good to go. So guys, our delicious palm oil yam, aka Mmanu in Igbo, is ready. You can add scent leaf, that is if you choose to, okay? You can as well add otazi leaves, okay? Yeah. So guys, as you guys can see, it's a very easy recipe to come up with. So even if you're not an Igbo, try it out, you're going to love it. Guys, it was so delicious. This is a very delicious delicacy you can come up with. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.